Hi everyone, my name is Mukul Aggarwal and today I'm presenting my research on the different forms of business ownerships, focusing on how they apply to my specific business idea. Let's have a look at the different forms of ownerships within the Nova Scotia business framework. Those are sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, cooperatives, and non-profit firms. Each firm has different legal responsibilities according to their characteristics. In sole proprietorship, the owner have complete control and authority of the business as well as the owner bears unlimited personal liability. In partnership, partner shares liabilities and profits of the business. In corporation, the business becomes a separate legal entity and owners have limited liability. The cooperative firms are operated and controlled by the members sharing responsibilities, and the non-profit firms are formed to serve public purposes and creates social values. Next, to see how business in each category function, I looked up registered companies in the Nova Scotia Registry of Joint Stock Companies, and I found the examples of Mystic Mastery, a firm registered as sole proprietorship, Two Code Properties, a business registered as partnership, 100 Bloor Street West Company, incorporated as Unlimited Company, and Acadia Cinema Corporative Limited, registered as cooperative non-profit firm. Next, I have some sources from where I gathered the information about these companies from Nova Scotia Registry of Joint Stock Companies. So here are they. Um, Next, I have my business idea. So it's to start a real estate company that focuses on buying, selling, and managing the properties. The company will deal both in residential as well as commercial properties to offer the customers a wide variety of services. The company will help clients buy, sell, or rent properties and offer property management services to landlords. Real estate is a dynamic industry that requires a business structure that allows for growth and stability. After considering the options, I have chosen to structure my real estate company as a corporation. Here is why. A corporation offers limited liability, which is essential in real estate industry where large transactions and potential legal risk are involved. So as a corporation, we can list our shares in the share markets to grow and fund new real estate projects that usually requires a heavy investment. Some key factors that I considered while choosing corporation as my business structure. Corporation limits personal liability in case company faces financial risk, so personal assets are protected. In taxes, a corporation can offer tax advantages such as lower corporate tax rates and the ability to reinvest profits back into the business. As the owner, I will still have an authoritative control of the business decisions, while also being able to appoint a board of directors as the company grows. So real estate often requires a huge capital, so a corporation makes it easier to raise funds by selling the shares or attracting the potential investors. Let's quickly recap the pros and cons of the forms of ownerships. Talking about the sole proprietorship, it is easy to set up, manage, and have complete control, but offers no protection from personal liability. In partnership, there are shared responsibility and have greater access to raise capital through individual resources, but partners also have unlimited liability and shared profits. Corporation provides limited liability, easier access to capital, and potential tax benefits, but it also comes with higher setup costs and more regulatory requirements. Cooperative firms reduces individual financial risk and have access to the products and services at lower cost, but decision making could be slower and limited growth potential. Non-profit firms receives public trust, grants, and funding, and it's usually tax free. But it's not suitable for profit driven businesses as it is dependent on grants and funding. To conclude, structuring my real estate company as a corporation provides liability protection, scalability opportunity, and tax advantages that could not be possible in other forms of ownerships. This structure will help my business for long-term success in the competitive real estate industry. I hope this gives an in-depth understanding of different forms of ownerships and an outlook of my business idea. Thank you for watching.